Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creations. I'll have her link down below and the hashtag in my title. This is week 3 of Deck the Year. I wanted to share a quick birthday card that I'm giving to my sister. I figured I'd do it this week because I am kind of pressed for time. We're going on a trip with her, myself, and my mom, and I wanted to get this done before I forget. So it's a birthday card. I added this tag from my stash, this flower, um, the sticker that I backed with cardstock that says happy birthday. I put it on 110 cardstock. I added this stamp in the back that says for you, and this flower that I got from Hobby Lobby. Been a while now. I just wanted to use this stamp set. Um, and then I just decorated it real quick inside and write a note. So yeah, that is my birthday card for this week, my little altered birthday card. I want to thank Penny for this collaboration, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.